And that is the end of our Carolina pine. So Steve is out here being a foreman. I gotta take down the last little tree. We're just gonna drop it right in between my fence and the shed. So that's skill, right? I'm gonna tie it onto the bumper. Oh, oh, oh. Jasper says he's out of here. They have a rope tied to the top of it. They're going to try to drop it between my shed and the fence. So here we go.
This is how you do it.
Final cuts.
This might be the only time in our lives we could actually yell timber.
I'm going to step back so I can get another shot. Pull. Timber! Here it goes!
Oh my God! Oh!
Hey! Good night. En la mañana. So, I never really wanted to climb up in the tree, but this is what a Carolina pine actually looks like. Ooh. Paige came out here and she said that she counted 70 rings, which means this tree is older than the house. Our house was built in 1962, so right around the same time or so. I like your wood, boy. It's a whole lot of wood. So if this helps you tell you the size. Easily 3 feet in diameter. Yeah, a little fiber is not too bad for his diet, right?